Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon viewers. I am Laras and my colleague Tarisa wants to bring news about COVID-19 in Indonesia. The spread of COVID-19 in Indonesia is still happening until the week of December 90, 2021 from the last government that in the last 24 hours there have been an addition of 164 new cases of COVID-19, with the addition reaching a drop of COVID-19 cases in Indonesia has reached 4,260,044 since it was first on March 2, 2020. From information of the task force for holding COVID-19 per week of December 90, 2020, there are 155 additional cases of recovery, so that the total number of recovered patients due to COVID-19 has reached 4,111,619. In the last 24, there were 4 COVID-19 patients due to the COVID-19 infection, 4,923 active cases of COVID-19.
Active case is a good poster. It is positive confirmation of the coronavirus who is undergoing treatment in a hospital or self-isolation. The government currently also records 306,000 people with suspect status. A few days ago, the government also Omicron variant of the coronavirus in Indonesia. 3,600 people with suspect status. A few days ago, the government also announced the presence of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus in Indonesia. The first case, the Omicron variant in Indonesia, was confirmed on 19 December with the initial N, who is a cleaning worker at Wisma Atlet Jakarta, while the other 2 cases are a 42 years old man who traveled to the units, and then a 15 years old man who traveled from England when the call center confirmasi positive for variant.
We are connected with our colleague Ipit Sita Putri, who is at the Wisma Atlet. How are the conditions there?
Yes, good afternoon, Laras and Larissa. Here I will tell you about the condition at Wisma Atlet, and you can see now the condition at the Wisma Atlet. There is a potential spike in 6 patients who will be treated here, and yesterday it was definitively confirmed that 45 complete hypertensive patients had been admitted to be treated at Wisma Atlet, and 4 more the times. Okay, back to the studio.
Yes, thank you, Ipit.
Here we are also connected with Mutina at Wisma Atlet. Mutina, how to update developments related to COVID-19 at Wisma Atlet?
Okay, Laras, Tarisa, and also the viewers are right that the active cases of COVID-19 in Indonesia are continuously climbing. If we look at the last few days, the daily increases in COVID-19 cases in Indonesia has reached more than 10,000. And if we look at December, this case of COVID-19 is still considered to be sloping, which is below the number 115. This is due to the spread of the Omicron variant in the country. Because if we know that signs of emergency of the Omicron variant, many countries have also experienced a surge in active cases of COVID-19. Okay, Tarisa and Laras, back to the studio.
Okay, thank you Mutina.
So much information about COVID-19 at the Wisma Atlet that we can convey. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.